Okay, I named him Hermie. I've been playing with him for 2 hours now. He's trusts me. Hi, Hermie. Da 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 da. He likes opera. Look. So it was a hummingbird that flew in my garage. Oh, look, he's on my wrist. He's getting more confident. And I named him Hermie. And Jesus had told me that I had this gravitational light. He put in a prophecy. And it's been with me since I was a child. My mom said when I was little that a baby deer came up to me, a wild deer, when I was singing opera in the woods, and licked my hand.
That's because you were singing to it.
And he's like gravitating towards my voice. Hi, buddy. Watch this.
Animals can tell.
Come here. Come here. My God, I'm trying to be okay. I pray the prayers I have to pray. Please don't leave me lonely. My God, I need you to hold me. Oh, 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 Hermie. It's a wild hummingbird. Lets me pet him. Just came in the garage today. And he loves my singing voice. Hi. Oh, sing, sweet nightingale. Oh, sing, sweet nightingale. Hermie lets me pet him. And he loves my grandma's favorite song. I'm trying to film him and pet a bird is kind of hard. Come here. Hold on. The very thought of you and I forget to do the little ordinary things that everyone ought to do. You are gonna be famous, Hermie. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. So cool. I speak the name of Jesus over you. When you're hurting in your sorrows, I ask my God to move. He likes this hand better because it doesn't have stuff on it. Come here. Come here.
As soon as you sing.
That was cool. That was awesome. Only Jesus. Okay, you can start recording now.
Looks like we're never gonna get him out.
I don't want him to leave. He's my new.
More to the left, more to your right.
He likes when I sing it to him. Ready?